Today is a stampless letter from 1814, paid 10 cents from Albany, New York. Isaiah and John Townsend. Winchester, March 9th, 1814. Gentlemen, I send to you your care volumes since a load of wire rods for the Otsego Land and Wire Manufacturing Company at the request of their agent, a line and from you by the return of my trains informed that we friends were in your hands to meet the blank and the state you would be awaiting for the rods or payment. I would regret you to be informed by way of mail whether the money is left with you to request us, if not, to